Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, I'm Raven, and today we are back on the Friends SMP. That's right, we got a name for it. I think we have gotten a name for it for a while now. And this is just a chill video. So, yeah. I put some music in the background to really enlighten the mood. And we've done a lot of things. We've been to the end, we've died, and so from 11 deaths to now, we've gone from 11 deaths to 48. So I have, and most of those are basically because I was chilling with Pandalord the other day, and I was like, since this is a new account, also I have a new skin for the month of October. I changed my skin from pink to orange, and I made a little pumpkin mask. It's so cute. So I've done a lot. I've moved out of that house and made a better house because I was just sick of that. And as you know, the server has been changed to 1.17. So while me and Pandalord we basically were done with it and we wanted to go to the end and fight the Ender Dragon and stuff. Well, so matter of factly, I didn't record that part, but we found another fortress, we got it, Pandalord died, I was close to death, so then we decided to go find the end portal. We got to the stronghold, and then he had to go. So basically, next day, I went and found the end portal, went to the end, and died several times. Because I've never been to the end in a survival area, so that's good. Oh my god, I look so weird. But now we have a spyglass, because since we've been playing on the server for a bit, in 1.16, we've generated a lot of blocks and such. So now, I need this. And now we have to go out and generate new spawns because it's 1.17 and stuff. And personally, in my opinion, 1.17 is amazing. There's I would say with every new update is very good because it's something new to experience, and that's good. So sorry for slacking a bit on my videos. I just haven't been in the mood to do it. So basically, I record a bunch of videos one day and I just upload them so I don't have to do all that work. But now we're here, and now that we're here, happy October, everyone! How are you guys doing? Doing okay? Doing bad. I'm not doing that good myself because I just got braces in and my words sound a little funky and it's a bit uncomfortable. So some words when I'm speaking may sound like gibberish, but I promise I will try and try my best, and yeah. So I since I died, and I did so I beat the Ender Dragon. I got some chorus fruit, and didn't find an end city, so I kind of gave up and did the strat where you just put everything in an ender chest and just call it a day and jump into the void. So before that, I did a dumb while I was fighting the Ender Dragon, and I died. So since I wanted to do the bed strat, but spoiler alert, I never did. While I was eating food, I placed a bed down and was looking straight down. So since I was in the end, I kind of exploded myself, and well, I had netherite and diamond armor, so the diamond armor got destroyed, and then when I jumped into the void, I forgot to take off my armor. So now I'm back to square one. I got some really bad enchanted diamond armor in my house, which I'll show you in a bit. But as you can see, I've been building. I've never done this before, but I wanna start making like sugarcane farms, XP farms, like redstone stuff that no one wants to do ever. So that's gonna be fun. So this is basically my death counter altar. You may seen this idea from other YouTubers. I just got it from one YouTuber and was like, hey, that's a good idea. So I didn't copy the YouTuber's design, just stole the idea. So I'm not exactly done, but I would put like candles here for, let's say, like if someone has 10 deaths, and I don't know how it's gonna work on Candlelord's side because he has 151 deaths, I think. No, maybe more because he died so many times in the nether when we were getting blaze rods. So, oh, and yeah, guess what? It took us only 10 minutes to find I forgot what it's called. The Nether Fortress. And hold on, close my door. So it took us 10 minutes to get to the Nether Fortress. Guess what? It sucked. There was no chests, no nether wart, just freaking blazes and other stuff. So that was a big pain, and I never want to go to the nether again. But really, I found out the other day that you can get drip leaf and moss from wandering traders. So that's how I got these drip leaves in my house. And my house is basically like, so in my culture, there's a thing, I don't know if it's very in my culture, but in some cultures, this is what we call a gombad. And I basically made a spruce and dark oak version. I need to find calcite for that because I forgot to take some when I was visiting the stronghold, because I actually stopped in an amethyst geode but forgot to pick up any calcite. So I was stupid. So I need to change the concrete to calcite, or just add calcite. And now I'll give you, my whole theme for this is like I don't know what my theme is, but it looks pretty. I made like a big tree coming out of the ground, some paths. This is my little kitchen area. Pretty cool. I don't know what you would call this, like a jungle? Like a jungle gym? It's more like a tree house because it has these overhangs. And, ooh, I just fell. So, I have here, which is basically just my bed, which I'll sleep in. And I'm just lonely, so I'll just save this once in a while. I got a swing that I usually jump off the ledge to get somewhere fast. And then the thing that took the most effort, oh yeah, and this is my terrible diamond armor. This is terrible. I'm making a goal to get these all like maxed out. This isn't so bad. It's like decent. It's not like amazing. But like I don't have to disenchant it, I hope. Yeah. So this was the most painful thing to do because I needed so many item frames. And oh god, I forgot that we'll do that in the next video. You'll find out next time. I'm just gonna die real quick. So I found all of this. Not much to it. And then the part that I've been spending the most time in is down here. So I basically have a heaven and hell side. And my little honey area, because why not? I had it in my old house basement. I'll do it again. Yeah. Oh, in future I could turn this to like my copper aging facility. I could like go out. Oh, that would be a pain. I could, okay, hear me out. I'm sort of kind of rich, so I could just pay someone to go out and get the stuff. That's amazing. I'll just pay someone to go. I'll pay them in like diamonds. Hint hint, Firewind or Pandalord, whichever. So this is basically my sugarcane farm. It's not that impressive. I plan on like expanding that way. It takes so much material. So yeah, not getting too much. That's because I only have 2, so that's fine. I'm using basically this for, oh, and I put some blood on the floor. And these are just the random chests I store stuff in because I don't have enough inventory. And then this is this is the part where the lore comes in. So I'm thinking this could go down and have something here that we'll maybe find in a future episode, but not right now, that is like a storyline. Because I've been wanting that for a while now. So yeah. I kind of made this like a mine shaft area. I put a scaffolding, and in the real world, this is actually used to build buildings, but it doesn't look like this. So obviously, yeah. So this is the hell side. This is the heaven side. We got the dragon egg. We got my little temporary AFK spot, and we got tons of storage. This was actually made to be storage. And these are my 2 thrones for lore. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this chill video. Just me showing you everything that I've done. Probably the third time I've done this. I don't know. Just a chill video. Nothing to it. So, see you guys later. Bye! Hope you enjoyed.